How to fix WhatsApp picture quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp picture quality on Android phone. First open WhatsApp and now click these 3 points here and then click settings. Now just click storage and data and scroll down. Here you will find photo upload quality. You will find it here auto. Just make it best quality and click OK, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just clear some space, go to storage, clean up, and then here we'll find junk files or cache. Just click delete and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.